In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to crochet through the back nodule of your chain. So let's have a look at this. So you can see my first loop is right here. And if I turn my work slightly to the back, there are these back nodules here. So all of these little nodules all the way along, I want to crochet through these little lumps. So what we're going to do is grab our yarn and put our hook through that first back nodule, so just turning the work. Now you might find that it is a little bit tight or a little bit tough to put your hook through this back nodule. So you can see I'm struggling a little bit there just to get my hook through. It is important to make sure that you're chaining relatively loosely when you're doing back nodule crochet. And then I finish off my single crochet that I'm doing here. So I'll just show you that again, just so that it's really clear. So there's the loop, the bottom loop, and then the top loop. And if I turn it, the back nodule is right there for me to crochet. So I'm going to put my hook through that loop. Just push it through. It can be a little tough, as I said. There we go. And then I'm going to finish off my single crochet. And that is how you crochet through the back nodule. Follow and subscribe for more crochet tips.